Hello everyone, welcome back to Optician. In this today's video, we are diving into an exciting role with Zoho, which is one of the India's leading tech company, which is known for its powerful software products. So, if you are interested in digital marketing, content creation, and helping a company to grow its online presence, this might be a biggest opportunity for you. So stick with us. We are going to discuss all the details about this product marketer role at Zoho. So what the skills that you need and where you can apply for this. All the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships. Lot more content will be uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now coming to the job role, that is the product marketer at Zoho. It is responsible for shaping and as well as maintaining the online experience with Zoho's product. So imagine being the person behind the scene who ensures the company message is clear, engaging and reaches the right audience. So from writing the web pages to tracking the web analytics, the role offers a unique chance to influence how Zoho interacts with the customer online. And the best part it is this role is available in the multiple locations, including Chennai, Coimbatore, and Madurai, and other locations also. So now, coming to the key responsibilities, let's talk like as a product marketer, what you would be tasked with. Creating and maintaining the website content. This includes the writing, rewriting, and testing the web pages and also landing pages to ensure that they are effective and as well as working well. And crafting the comparison, that is, you will be developing and detailed, accurate comparison documents that helps the customer to understand the unique benefits of Zoho's product. Writing the marketing briefs for ads, landing pages, videos, webinars, and as well as email campaigns. You will create a brief that ensures a clear and concise message. Monitoring analytics, where you will be track the performance of the websites and other marketing campaigns, looking for a way to improve the both traffic and as well as conversion. So value adding content, whether it's a blog post, white paper or articles, you will be creating the content that not only the promotes Zoho's product but also provides the values to the potential customers and the board markets. So now to succeed in this role, Zoho is looking for the candidates who are skilled in the writing and as well as content creation. You will need a strong command of the English, the ability to convey the ideas clearly, and experience with the digital marketing tools to track and as well as analyze the web traffic also. So familiarity with the SEO, landing pages, optimization, and also customer-centric content strategies will also be a big plus for you in this interview process. If you are proactive, have a passion for storytelling, and enjoy the improving the user experience, then this role could be a perfect fit for you. Now, what makes this role stand out for you? This isn't just a standard marketing job, it's a chance to build and shape Zoho's brand presence on the web. So, create a meaningful content and make a data driven decision. As a part of the role, you will have a chance to rewrite the content that speaks directly to the customers and as well as prospective clients also. So, providing them with the information that builds a trust and as well as help them to make a informed decision. So why to join this Zoho company? Zoho is known for its employee-friendly culture and as well as its dedication to developing the products that empower the businesses around the world. So working here, you will be a part of a company that values the creativity, innovation, and as well as a lot more. Zoho Works environment is designed to help your employees thrive, offering the chance to grow, learn, and as well as take the ownership of the project. If you are looking for a marketing role that all is about the creativity, strategy, and also making an impact, Zoho's product marketer position is a perfect fit for you. So if you want to apply for this, the link is there in the description box. When you click on that link, you will redirect to this page and you can simply press on I'm interested button. The further process for applying for this job role will be open. And that's it about today's video. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. You will never miss any update. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.